Maxed out credit cards? No savings? Feeling stuck? You're not alone. Credit card debt can feel like a trap, one you can't escape from. But here's the truth. No matter how bad it seems, there is a way out. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pay off your credit card debt fast, even if you're broke. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real, actionable steps that work. So stick with me till the end, because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll be debt-free. Let's get into it. Step 1. Face the reality. Know your numbers. Before we can fix the problem, we need to see exactly what we're dealing with. Take a deep breath, because this step is tough, but necessary. Write down every credit card balances, the interest rates, and minimum payments. You might feel overwhelmed looking at these numbers, but don't panic. This isn't a life sentence, it's just your starting point. Step 2. Stop the bleeding, no more new debt. Debt keeps growing because we keep adding to it. Before anything else, let's stop the cycle. Put the cards away. If you can't stop swiping, literally freeze them in a block of ice. Use cash or debit only. If the money isn't in your bank, don't spend it. Cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce dining out, and pause impulse shopping. These small changes will stop your debt from growing while we focus on paying it down. Step 3. Find money to pay it off. Even if you're broke. I don't have extra money. That's what most people think. But let's find some hidden cash. Cut expenses. Switch to a cheaper phone plan. Cook at home instead of ordering takeout. Pause unnecessary subscriptions. Yes, Netflix and Spotify, I'm looking at you. Sell stuff you don't need. Old electronics, extra furniture, unused clothes. Side hustles. Drive for Uber, Lyft. Sell digital products. Offer freelance services. Even $50 to $100 extra per week can make a huge difference. Step 4. Choose your attack plan. The best ways to pay off debt. Now, let's get rid of the debt. There are 2 proven strategies, the one that works best for you. The Snowball method, for motivation. Pay off the smallest debt first. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next smallest. Builds momentum and keeps you motivated. The Avalanche method, for saving money. Focus on the highest interest debt first. Reduces the total amount of interest you pay. Helps you get out of debt faster. Which one's better? The Avalanche method is mathematically the smartest, but the Snowball method is easier to stick with. The key? Just start. Step 5. Lower your interest rates. Stop overpaying. High interest is what keeps you stuck. But guess what? You can reduce it. Call your credit card company. Ask for a lower interest rate or a hardship program. Many will say yes. Balance transfer cards. Move debt to a 0% interest card, if you qualify. Debt consolidation loan. A personal loan with lower interest can save you thousands. The less interest you pay, the faster your debt disappears. Step 6. Smart payment strategies. Speed up the process. Make bi-weekly payments. Instead of once a month, pay twice a month. This tricks the system into making an extra payment per year. Use extra money wisely. Tax refunds, bonuses, and unexpected cash. Throw it at your debt, not on new spending. Round up your payments. Paying $150? Make it $160. These tiny amounts add up over time. And step 7. Build a small safety net while paying debt. Even while paying off debt, you need a small emergency fund. Why? Because if an unexpected expense pops up, you won't have to use your credit cards again. Start with just $500 in savings. It's small, but it's enough to cover minor emergencies and keep you from falling back into debt. Outro. You can do this. The truth is, getting out of debt isn't easy, but it's 100% possible. The key is consistency. Small, disciplined actions every day will lead to big results. Stop adding to your debt. Find extra money. Use a proven strategy. Lower your interest rates. Be consistent. You've got this. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be free from credit card debt. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with credit card debt? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.